Hey everyone, welcome back to Coded Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the free asset of the month that just came out a couple hours ago. And let's start off with the AIK Adventurers Inventory Kit. I actually bought this a long time ago in hopes to combine it with Ascent Combat Framework, but unfortunately back when I used it a long time ago, the developer of this plugin wasn't very active. So if I hit play here, so you're just going to see my character here, and you can kind of see like I can pick stuff up here. They made a simple loot system and all that. There's just a bunch of like an item pickup, a simple pickup system. So it already comes with kind of like an interaction slash pickup system, which is nice. And if I click tab on my keyboard, you're going to see a really cool looking 3D inventory. So it'll show my character on this stage here. And if I go back and I can select, a certain array of my weapons and equip it, and it'll show what my character looks like after I equip it. And I can equip both or just one, and so on. And then same with the axes or the two-handed axes or halberds, the swords, and I can kind of just place them wherever. And yeah, these look super cool. This is like an amazing looking inventory. And don't forget to you can use E on your keyboard to rotate around these settings, and Q is your back or go to the left. And it already comes with these nice looking icon slots, and then you can also see like quest items, documents. It's already layered, and yeah, it just looks super nice. And if you have abilities, you can display it here, even a quest tab, just so you can display quests here and so on. And you can have a mini map pop up. And yeah, this looks like an amazing inventory kit. You can even see it's giving me like a Destiny 2 style UI where it says your hunter damage, warrior damage, and so on, how much armor you have, how much health you have. And I am hoping that eventually I can combine this into the Ascent Combat Framework plugin. And yeah, this is really nice asset pack. I'm glad it's a free of the month. I think it was originally $100, but yeah, it looks amazing. Like this is super cool, and they even have an equip feature, which is cool, and it even shows the animation of equipping and unequipping. And yeah, that's the Adventures Inventory Kit. Let's go into the next one. We're gonna be looking at the low poly Viking top-down interiors pack. Okay, so if yours is too lit like this, all right. So I'll start with the overview map because the other maps, the lighting was actually insane for me. So it comes out with all these modular pieces that you can mix and match for the low poly Viking assets. And these are semi-stylized, I want to say, not like too stylized, but they're also not too realistic. So it looks really good. I like these physics on these banners. They look really nice as if the wind's hitting them. And same with the grass and plants. The weapons kit actually looks really nice. So these look really sick. These are more medieval-ish looking weapons. I like how there are different types of quivers. One you can wrap around your shoulder, one that you carry on your back. Oh, these paintings are actually really nice. And these magic books, wow. For a Vikings pack, there's actually a good amount of stuff. It's not all just Viking. There's meat, gold, cups, these cool helmets. That looks sick. I like this weapon a lot. There's a floating light thing here if you need something shiny. And let's look at some of the maps. So I know I'm having some lighting issues with this, as you can see here. All right, so this is really specific. I went to my post-process volume. Under post-process volume settings, I just changed the blend weight to 0.4443. If you change it by 1,000, or I guess in this case 10,000th of a digit, it will change a lot. So this is 0.4444, and this is 0.4442. Actually, yeah, I'll stick with 0.4442. This actually looks a lot better. So now we can actually go over this pack. So this is the interior, and I think it looks amazing. It's still crazy bright. The ambient inclusion's super high here. Same with the screen reflections, which is a little wild. But yeah, I wouldn't just copy paste this and put this into a level. Yeah, it's a really stylized looking pack. It kind of looks like something that could also fit a Cinti type vibe. Okay, yeah. So here is the actual pack, and I set the post process volume settings, the blend weight at 0.4442. This is what's working, right? You can also disable it, and it honestly looks really good in my opinion. But I'll just keep it light just for the sake of the tutorial. So yeah, this is really stylized modular pieces. Everything's kind of single. So like these scrolls, for example, will just fit in these desks, giving me a very Cinti vibe. The windows have a lighting coming out of it. That's cool. You can adjust where these shines are coming from. There's a weapon rack here with actual weapons on it. and the weapon rack. Actually, it's just one mesh of the weapons and the rack itself. And yeah, this looks freaking amazing. I'm pretty glad this is free. I know that Poly 3D actually does a lot of free assets of the month, and actually going over their profile, I noticed that I have a ton of things from them. So this is pretty awesome to see. Viking stylized dinner table. Oh, along with these chairs, yeah, these are giving like Valheim, like stylized Valheim vibes for the chair at least. And again, if you're having this insane lighting issue, just change your blend weight to 0.4442. I might actually do it to 0.4443. And yeah, I'll just leave it like this. And yeah, this looks really cool. It's like a darkish, it's giving me a darkish room vibe. Yeah, this asset pack is actually awesome. It comes with hundreds of models, even some cool looking furniture and carpets. The banners look a little odd because I don't know why there's so much wind in this room. Oh wait, actually, this banner looks no, it's pretty windy. I don't know why is it so windy. But yeah, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Fire is pretty a simple stylized looking fire. Curtains with a bed. My screen keeps getting darker and lighter as I go near them. And yeah, that's the stylized Viking free of the month asset pack. It's pretty cool. I love Poly 3D. Their work is actually really nice to see. And next, I want to go over the Lookout Tower. And this is the Outlook Tower asset pack, or the Lookout Tower asset pack. Originally $60, and luckily this month it's free. It looks like a pretty realistic looking watchtower. It's kind of giving me that one game Firebirds or Firewatch, where you pretty much just like see things, and if you look at the wrong thing with your light on, yeah, something creepy will start coming up the stairs, and you hide in this room and get caught anyways. Or at least if you get the bad ending. And there's a bunch of appliances and stuff that you can add in addition to the environment, or I guess inside your watchtower. So we got sinks, a ton of books, binoculars, an axe, stoves, mini fridge, drawer. These are very realistic looking. Lawnwood Fire Department. Okay, cool. That's cool. Um, nice. And then you also have some equipables. You get fresh Tims, a photo, a construction hat, knives, a jar of peanuts. These actually look pretty HD from far away. They actually look pretty nice. A flashlight. Oh wow, this actually looks really nice to use. Yeah, this style is actually really cool. I could see you can make this into a blueprint. Just add like a point light or something coming out of it. Papers. Actual papers? Yeah, this looks super realistic. Huh. Feed the dog, need milk to do. Pixar looking lamp. Wow. Yeah, this asset pack is actually crazy cool. Oh, demo level will not work if you don't enable water plugin. I didn't even try playing it. All right, so I enabled the water plugin and launched the demo, and it looks like it's already giving us a really nice looking map. Very realistic Firewatch vibes for sure. Okay, my shaders are still loading up. Yeah, I mean the grass and landscape itself look really, really good. Like this looks freaking amazing. And now when I play the demo level, I have a walking character. I can go up the tower. I have a door, bed. Yeah, this is giving Firewatch vibes, that's for sure. Wait, what? Yeah, this looks super cool. Oh, I can even climb this. Wait, is there falling damage? Okay, no falling damage. But that's fine. Yeah, that's actually a better pack than what it advertised as. I mean, this grass and stuff looks amazing as well. Wow, this is actually a really cool pack. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but it actually is. It actually did come out pretty amazing. So now let's look at the ultimate weapon customization system plus stylized futuristic set. So when I go ahead and hit play, It's going to basically introduce me to certain weapons that I can have. And let's do this type of weapon. We can adjust the stock, and it's costing us this virtual cash that's made. It's actually really cool. I can rotate it, lift it around, see the mesh and how it looks. I can add a scope to it, a handguard, select different types of bullets like a rocket or a beam. Nice. Change the barrel, magazine, and trigger. And let me click save and see if I can actually enter the test level. So you can have a ton of different types of variations. And when I enter the test level, oh, I can actually play with the gun that I guess I didn't create this one, but can I actually use this? Okay, and then I can just hit G to return to customizing it. And I just hit randomize and enter the test level. Oh, I see. I'm selecting this as a weapon 1 and 2. Okay, perfect. So I can select this one as my weapon 1, and it'll show me the customized mesh or the custom mesh that I made. And it just shows you what it looks like in game. There's no shooting mechanics or anything. I might be wrong considering there's a giant target thing here, so it looks like it would. But there is a test demo that you can play around with on this asset packs page. And if you go over to the meshes, you can actually see all the animations that come with it, even some of the animation blueprints that are attached to the weapons. So it looks like in order to use these guns, one of the options is to get their shooting system pack because they have all the assets, basically all the rockets, shotgun, basically all the types of weapons that are in this. But don't forget that for this pack, you can actually change to using your own weapons, your own shooting styles, so on. But yeah, their asset pack is actually really nice. And you can even add your own skeletal meshes to it. So for example, if I want to add my own, I would just make sure that I give my skeletal mesh these sockets just so I can basically arrange it to any type of, so basically it can customize with any type of weapon and include that weapon magazine skeleton bone just so it knows where to go. And it also comes with a bunch of sound effects. And there's also an option other than to customize the guns, you can also apply skins to it, which is super cool actually. And if you use your mouse wheel, you can scroll through the colors options they have. That's pretty much it for the ultimate stylized weapon customization pack. And now I'll go over the science fiction Valley Town. This is using Lumen and Nanite. And this is a very high quality asset. It's using 2K and 4K textures. So when I hit play, oh wow, there's a flying ship everywhere, I guess. But yeah, it's giving me very Star Wars vibes. And this comes with a ton of assets. Pretty realistic textures. I really like how it's not too many polygons, but it still looks perfectly fine to make a level out of. A bridge is giving me like a Halo map vibe. And I'm just going to exit the play mode because that camera speed is way too slow. And yeah, it has some realistic looking foliage. Play around the map. Some high quality looking rocks. One-sided rocks. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the Science Fiction Valley Town. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.